So you'll notice that our plasma table has some green water. This is just regular water with what we call plasma quench. It is a sodium nitrate additive that prevents rust and corrosion in the waterbed. That makes your waterbed last a little longer. And this is something that you can purchase in addition to your plasma table. Typical price range is about $99 for a 7-pound bag. You can achieve fine cuts with our plasma table. That is not an issue. These stepper motors that we use and the linear guides that we use means that it is unrivaled when it comes to precision, motion, and accuracy. A lot of the cuts, however, do depend on your consumables, the plasma cutter that you're using, and the type of material that you're going to be cutting. If you'd like a catalog with more information, please reach out to us at STVCNC.com or give us a call at 888-701-7101, and we'd love to talk to you about that and get a catalog over to you.